Hi. In this video, I will show you how to connect GravityForms to MailBluster using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to add a new lead in MailBluster using GravityForms. I will use GravityForms as a trigger node to send a message for lead creation in MailBluster. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add GravityForms as a trigger. Next, let's add GravityForms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select GravityForms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now I will submit a test response from GravityForms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a GravityForms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add MailBluster as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select MailBluster, Add Lead as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a MailBluster connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with MailBluster. To get your API key, visit the MailBluster dashboard. Then select Settings. Now click on the API Keys option and complete the API key creation process. Once your API key is successfully generated, then copy it. Now return to the BitFlows builder and paste the API key into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your MailBluster node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Now, I will map the fields from the GravityForms response to the MailBluster fields. Next, you can specify the subscription status type from the drop-down options. Additionally, you also have the option to override the existing contact information with responses, if needed. Enabling the double opt-in feature allows the admin to obtain users' permission before subscribing them to marketing emails via MailBluster, ensuring both compliance and user consent. You can also add tags that you have already created in your MailBluster account. Step 4. Run a final test. After completing all the setup steps, click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from GravityForms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in MailBluster. Step 5. Verify the contact in MailBluster. Finally, go to your MailBluster dashboard and click on the View All option under Leads. Here, you will see that a new lead has been successfully added in your MailBluster account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.